when data connects everything. Efficiency and simplicity become the norm of our times. NIIMBOT, the stabilizer in China's smart label printer sector and solution provider in the management of things, has established order by simple labeling, enabling higher efficiency and simpler enjoyment. Let's go back to the starting point of everything. From complicated to simple. From simple to simpler. And from a smart and portable perspective, NIIMBOT has ushered in an era of smart mobile printing in China. We keep exploring in our journey to make the management of things simpler. With 10 years of dedication, we spot the needs of our customers and keep improving our service experience. Establishing a portfolio of products centered on smart hardware and NIIMBOT Cloud Printing Service Platform. In a decade of independent research and production, we aim to fulfill our pledge of simple and effective. From providing labels for customers to a one-stop service provider of full life cycle management of things and data. Simpler label printing. NIIMBOT provides over 1,000 label templates for different sectors of industry, labeling accurate information to every single product. The retail product management has to be simpler, the professional maintenance easier, and the identification of things more effective. A beautiful life can be simpler. NIIMBOT Smart Label Printer satisfies all your needs in different daily scenarios. With over 1,000 original label designs and counting, we help you to assort, classify, remind, and record in the trivial daily routines and bring you a better life with everything in good order. We keep innovating along our journey to make simple simpler. As an emerging brand in China's smart label printer sector, NIIMBOT sticks to an innovative development path of independent research, production, and marketing, driving the intelligent transformation of the label printing industry. Innovation is our engine. We invest 10% of our revenue in product R&D every year, just to make the full lifecycle management of things and data simpler. We are customer-oriented, always ready to provide a better and more convenient service to our customers. Labeling, identification, and management. We help our global users to establish order. Throughout our journey, NIIMBOT has never stopped exploring how to empower more effective working and more comfortable lifestyles through simpler approaches. The simpler, the better.